Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl B. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I am going to be trimming my hair. I finally feel as though it's time. I'm ready to let go of all the unhealthy hair and just some of the hair that doesn't look pretty because maybe it has some thread showing through or it has some lint. And to cut my hair, all I'm going to need is really a scissors. So in this video, I'm just going to walk you through the process and show you how I decide to cut my hair. I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks, giving you guys warnings, and also elaborating on why I think it's so important that you trim your hair every now and again. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. Please also make sure that you turn on post notifications so you do not miss out on any of my latest uploads. Without further ado, let's get into this video. First things first, I'm gonna start by making sure that I hydrate my hair. By now guys, if you've been a regular degular, you know that I do not do anything to my hair before making sure that it's well hydrated. This time I'm just spraying it with water though. I didn't add any essential oils because I'm gonna try and get rid of some of the lint on the surface. I feel as though adding oils will make it stick to my hair. After adding in the water, I'm going to go in with some rose water. Again, I've seen a lot of people rave about it, when I watch different types of loc videos, so I decided to try it myself. And another thing is that, it helps to retain moisture and hydration in the hair, and it's going to leave my hair smelling good too, so I figured, why not? As I had mentioned in the beginning guys, the only thing that you need to trim your hair today is a pair of scissors. There is no special technique that I'm doing today. I'm just going to be doing some straight cuts. As you watch along the video guys, you will see that I am cutting off locks of different lengths. I will explain, as I go in more into the video about why I'm cutting certain locks off. But guys, I'm not someone who's obsessed with symmetry anymore, so I'm not cutting my locks because I want them to be even. I'm just cutting them to make sure that I get rid of every single bit of hair which I think is unhealthy. This lock that I'm cutting off right now has a piece of thread in it. At some point, I was obsessed with length retention, so if a lock would thin, I would try to save it and put it together. This next lock has severely thin and very high up, and I contemplated keeping it, but you can clearly tell guys that this lock is not healthy. Even if I tried to save it, it probably wouldn't last long. So again, I'm just going to, cut off all locks that I think are not healthy, and then I'm gonna palm roll it so, I don't have any of my locks unraveling. If you look at this lock, you can tell that it is damaged at 2 points. I'm going to cut off from the root of the damage because there's no point keeping that shorter piece because it's probably going to fall off on its own anyways. Length retention and symmetry is not a big focus here. Biggest focus is making sure that every single bit of hair that is left on my hair is healthy and it is mine. The reason why I say it's mine is because when I used to be focused on length retention, there would be times when I would go in and buy some hair extensions and I'd add them onto the root of my locks. So a lot of the times if you do see me cutting off like really long chunks of hair, if you do pay attention, you can tell that the texture is different. That is me cutting off the extension. As you guys can see, I am being very thorough about this process. I'm trying to get rid of every single bit of hair which I think is unhealthy, so I don't have to repeat this process for another 9 to 12 months if absolutely necessary. Keeping unhealthy hair will be a burden on the rest of my locks that are growing, and it's going to hinder, length retention and will result in it taking a lot longer for me to reach my lock length goal. Next, I am going to be dry brushing my hair. I am just going to use a simple brush with hard bristles because this will ensure that the bristles are able to catch the lint. They say when you brush out lint out of your hair should be dry, but as you guys know, I don't believe in doing anything to my hair with it dry, so I just made it slightly wet. However, I didn't put any oils in my hair because oils would have made it harder for me to brush the lint out. I am only focusing on the lint which is on the surface and not the lint which is embedded in my hair, because if I try to get that lint out, it's going to damage my locks. So I'm going to brush, and again, I'm going to be thorough with this and try and separate my locks, but I won't be doing them individually because the dry brushing could damage them. Hey guys, so I am finally back and I'm done trimming my hair. I did cut off like a little bit more than I initially thought I would cut off, but it's not that much. Like, I didn't go scissor happy this time, guys, because that happened the last time that I cut my hair and I almost cried afterwards. I think it looks a lot cleaner than it initially looked before. You know, there's less lint. It's looking a lot more even. I don't see like, you know, any tapered edges as well, because I just went back and I palm rolled some of those edges. So, you know, if you have spiraling edges or edges which seem to, you know, like look like they're uncoiling, you know, just go back in and palm roll them. You can do it dry or you can put some oil in your hands. But, you know, I hope you guys saw that, you know, I wasn't obsessed with, you know, symmetry and making my locks even. You know, you can even tell with these two, like, I was not focused on symmetry. You know, I was just focused on getting rid of hair which I thought wasn't healthy anymore, or hair which I thought didn't look good. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys learned a thing or two. And I hope that this video also, like, you know, made you less afraid, you know, to get rid of your hair. You know, I hope you learned that it's okay to get rid of unhealthy hair. You know, it's okay to trim. You know, your hair is gonna grow back if you care for it and you love it. So please don't be scared to trim your hair, you know, and if you do, let me know how it goes. You know, tag me on Instagram if you know, put up some before and after pictures. You know, if you show like how much hair you actually cut off, you know, please feel free to tag me. If you have any lock related questions, you know what to do. Please make sure you ask them down below in the comment section and I will get back to you guys. Please don't forget to like this video as well and to subscribe to my channel so that you can get more of the kind of content that you love. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I will see you guys in my next one. Take care.